The 2023 Range Rover Velar, a chariot of modern opulence. This beast doesn't just merely drive, it glides, with a grace that belies its masculine presence. Alright, enough pretentious script for now. Let me show you a little bit of the inside.
This one's the best. Here we go. This is the story of the 10-minute.
This thing inside is like entering some kind of a sanctuary. The interior is a masterclass in understated luxury with materials that beg to be touched. So you got your soft leathers, polished metals, all wrapped up in a British package. Performance-wise, quick enough.
Use the right lane to keep right to merge onto
And the handling is what you would expect in a mid-size SUV. There's nothing spectacular about it. This isn't like the German ones like the BMW X3 or the Audi or Q5 rather.
Let's make an 80 song tonight.
Ooh, I like that brushed metal. So as you can see, it's a mid-size SUV. So I've got the seats folded down right now. You see how you could put a couple dogs back there.
One of the things that's spectacular about the Velar is, for an entry-level Range Rover, how quiet it is on the inside. Right now, I'm cruising at 67 miles per hour. I have the AC fan on low, and if you listen, it's very quiet. So the Velar came out in 2017, and the intent of it was to be basically a hybrid in between the Evoque and the Range Rover Sport in terms of size. It's beginning to rain. Let's see if the automatic windshield wipers come on. My guess is they probably will any second now. There it is. I like a car that doesn't go over the top with Alcantara. There is just some tastefully up on the A-pillar. Like tends to plague Range Rover, the car's not considered very reliable.
Why not, you stupid bastard?
Well, for one thing, people's self-reported reviews on Edmunds.
So this car is definitely not as fun to drive as the Range Rover Sport. It's much more underpowered than that. You can get this car in a 4-cylinder, for example, but the trade-off to that is you can be in one of these for starting around $60,000.
Okay, we have a typical Florida summer rain, so I'm going to go focus on driving now. Put it in the comments. What do you think of the Velar? Would you drive this? If you have any questions, write in.
Until it feels so right, making